Hello everyone! If you have the latest version of the Instagram app, you've probably noticed that below a post or reel, there is a count for likes, comments, and shares. Today, I'll show you how to hide the like and share counts. I'll demonstrate how to do it for all your posts at once and how to do it for a single post. Let's get started. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Then click on the three horizontal lines. Next, find and open like and share count. This setting also applies to the Threads app. On Instagram, the number of likes and shares on posts and reels from other accounts will be hidden. Turn on this option. Now, if you want to do this for just one post or reel, open the post you've published and click on the three dots next to that post. If you want to hide the like count, click on Hide Like Count. If you want to hide the share count, click on Hide Share Count. And that's it. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.